In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper on this Ford Escape. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover. Just use a trim tool, take the push pins out. And take these push pins out as well. And grab this panel and just flip it upside down out of the way. We're going to remove these bolts. Use a 10mm socket. Underneath here, we're going to take all these screws out. Use a 7mm socket. Using a trim tool, there's a push pin right here. Pop those out on each side. On the inner fender well, we're going to take these screws out and use a 7mm socket. Using a trim tool, take these push pins out. Just pop those out. And pop this push pin out. Same with the trim tool. Oh, sometimes they break, that's okay. Just get new ones. Pop this trim piece off, just pull it back. If you need to, you can use a trim tool. It's just clipped in. We're not going to take it off completely, but just pop it out a little bit. There we go. There's a connector right here for the sensor. Just disconnect the connector. Push down on the tab, slide that off, and push that wire in. And the inner fender well, just pull that out. And we just pop it down a little bit, just so you can access inside here. There's 3 screws going in this way. We're going to take those out. On the inside here, there's 3 screws, or 3 bolts. We want to take those off. Use a 10mm socket. Take that out, and the other 2. trim tool. We'll just pry this down. There is 2 clips that you may have to release from the inside. These are broken on this vehicle. You can use some needle nose pliers or even a straight blade screwdriver and just release the clips underneath here. Pry those down and out. And just grab the bumper and just give it a quick tug just to release it from underneath the headlight. Then we're going to do all the same stuff on the opposite side. Using a T30 socket, take these screws out. Right. That's good. You just grab the bumper cover. I'll just slide it off. Just pull it out. And there's a connector right here. You want to disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Separate the connector. Now we're going to connect the connector. Line that up. Click it in place. There's a little retainer right here. You can slide it on the retainer. Right there. And slide the bumper in place. Just on the front of the bumper, just push in just to lock it in place. Now just under the headlight, you want to push that panel in place. Get this lined up with the fender. That's good. I'll put these bolts in. Those are tight. Because the inner fender well, this part of that popped off, we have to remove some of this trim a little bit. There's a couple clips on the back side of here. If you take an 8mm socket, you can get underneath the clips. You just push them, and that releases the clip. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. There we go. Pops right out. Here's one right here. I can just show you what the clip looks like. It looks like that. Then if you push the socket over, it just squeezes the clip. Then this can pop out a little bit. I'll just slip this in place. That's good. Before we push the trim back in place, connect the connector. All right, that's good. Push it down, that's good. And you want to take the push pins, get those started, push those in. There's another one right there. And push that one in. Take the screws, get those all started. I'm going to tighten those down. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. Underneath, we're going to put these screws in, tighten those down. Tighten those up. Put all these screws in, get these started. Same over here. There's one more. And we'll tighten those down. And take the screws up top, get these started. Tighten those down. Flip this panel over. Make sure it's still attached. The cable's still attached. That's good. Take the push pins and push those back in. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.